Beloved, he said, think it not strange concerning the fiery trials, which is to try you, as though some strange thing happened unto you. When your rebellious nature comes out and you have a desire to sin, lust of the flesh, all that stuff, you're like, yeah, that's normal. That's a normal human thing. It comes with the body. It comes with the nature. Everybody has it. Jesus is the only one who didn't have it. Adam and Eve didn't have it in the beginning, but when they got cut off, their connection to God was cut off, then they gained it. They gained the desire to sin. And everybody else is born with it. So it's no strange thing. There are people who think preachers and pastors and those don't have a rebellious nature. It's like, it's insane. Yeah, they're subject to the exact same human faults and failures that every other human is subject to. Woe to the heart and mind of the person that wants to lift a pastor, a preacher up above humanity.